Okay, here's part 2. Right up there is the unplowed parking lot I'm going to hit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come to a complete stop, and then I'm going to give it a little bit of juice. I may even floor it. We'll see how squirrely it is, but I'm going to stop on that steep hill. The fun part is it's kind of hard to see where the road even is. I will literally be the first person to come through here. So let me get to a wider open clearing, and I'm just going to floor it. Oh, that's really exciting. Man, it just digs in, and look how slick it is. The ABS took a while. Let's try something like that again. I'm going to go in the other direction here. This is slick. So, floor it. Oh, wow. Here's another interesting thing. The ABS prevents it from stalling out. So, let me turn around down here. We'll do that one more time. Man, this thing is just impressive in the snow. Holy cow. I mean, it stays straight also. I'm not going to make that turn. I got to back up. I mean, it was not all over the road or anything. So let's actually just come to a complete stop here. A lot of other cars I've had, when you come to a complete stop and take off like that, would get stuck. So it just goes. I'm not even holding the steering wheel. Look at that. It's just basically going perfectly straight. Man, this thing is amazing in the snow. I mean, it's even like struggling a little bit to just make a turn there. I've got one more road to try that on. Yeah, even like coming to a stop here. Holy crap, it's so slick. Let's come up here and get this hill here. Give it a little bit of juice. Floored. Had to back off a little bit there. Let me just drop it into second. And floored. Wow, now I see why they call this thing a rally car. Holy crap, this thing is just so amazing. It's so fun to drive. Wow. So I got the cheapest snow tires I could find on, I can't remember the name of the site. It's, holy cow, this is awesome, man. Priority Tire, I think that's what it called. I got the cheapest snow tires I could get. They were only like $100 a piece. And they are very loud when driving, but wow. That combined with the amazing all-wheel drive system of this car just does a fantastic job. Anyway, just thought some of you might find that interesting. Just to tack on a little bit more, I'm gonna go ahead and floor it like out on the road. Just digs in. This isn't quite as slick as the parking lot, but it is still definitely snow covered. You can see everybody else is driving like 5 miles an hour. This has had probably one level of treatment already, but then it's gotten snowed over. I mean, the confidence this thing gives in the snow is just unheard of. Now I'm going up a hill here. I'm going to take it easy as long as there's cars coming the other way. But when I pass this car, I'm going to hit it one more time. Okay, the tail kicked a little bit, but it recovered. Yeah, that's pretty slick right there. But man, it still just digs in. It's just like it intuitively knows where to put the power. And, you know, I'm pretty much in the boost range there. So, yeah, man, this thing is just incredible in the snow. And one more demo. So this is lightly snow covered here. I'm going 40. Let's punch it. Just digs in.